Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for February 24th of 2025 is titled Light Pillar over Erupting Etna. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a few different things. In the foreground, we see the Italian countryside. And in fact, off in the distance, we see Mount Etna. So a volcano erupting there. And Mount Etna, obviously here an active volcano, and we can see the very bright flowing lava going from it. Now, volcanoes are not unique to Earth, and we do see them elsewhere in the solar system, including on the other planets, Venus and Mars, and also in the outer solar system on some of the larger moons that exist. However, here what we're seeing very interestingly is not only the volcano here on Earth, but up in the sky we see this pillar of light heading upward. So it seems to be going through the stars there, and you can actually see some starlight coming through it. So it is something within our atmosphere. It's not completely dense. It just brightens that region of the sky. Now this is what is called a light pillar. So it is not lava flowing into the sky. It is not even an eruption of the volcanic material up into the sky. It is just light. Now we often get light pillars associated with bright objects such as the sun. So when the sun is very low in the sky, we can get a light pillar going up when the conditions are right. And you can also sometimes see it with other objects as well. But this one is being done by the volcano. So it is the light from the volcano which is bright enough to be reflected upward and scattered by ice crystals in the atmosphere. So like many things we see in our sky here on Earth, this is an atmospheric effect caused by ice crystals in the sky. Now the ice crystals floating mostly in a flat orientation will then reflect the light away from the top of the volcano. And then we can see that as a pillar going straight up into the sky. Now it does take the right conditions and the right type of ice crystals up in the air there above the volcano to give us a light pillar like the one we see today. So not only does it take the source of bright light, in this case the volcano, but it also takes the right conditions and the right particles, in this case ice crystals in the atmosphere, that allow us to see something like this. So we see the glow of the volcano on the ground off there in the distance. We can see the flowing lava, but up above in the sky, we also get to see the light pillar of reflected light from the top of the volcano. So that was our picture of the day for February 24th of 2025. It was titled Light Pillar over Erupting Etna. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Stars Between Curtains. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.